PSA Collector.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with PSAcollector.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube pays my sports card YouTube channel for my oldest video and my highest viewed video. Now, I'm making this video as inspiration for you guys out there who want to start your own sports card YouTube channel, but you don't really have the motivation to yet. So this video is not about bragging. It's not about boasting, guys. It's simply about showing you guys out there who want to start your sports card YouTube channel that today is the day to do it, okay? Now, if you haven't seen my video I did recently on how to start your own sports card YouTube channel, check it out. I'll post a link at the top. It's going to show you all the basics that you need in order to start your channel today, okay? There's no better time to start a YouTube channel than today. It pays money. It's a great way. If you keep hustling, you keep doing it, it'll eventually pay off, guys, okay? Now, at first, yes, it's very difficult to get traction, but like I said in my previous video, guys, practice, 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 and just continue to do it and continue to improve, and you'll get better, okay? So this video, guys, I want to motivate you. I want to put some fire up underneath you and get you started to do your YouTube channel today. And I'm going to show you exactly how much I earned on two of my videos, my oldest video and my most viewed video, okay? So without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into these analytics. All right, guys, so we're at my analytics in my video tab, and this is the oldest video I have on YouTube. It's the how to submit cards to PSA, okay? So let's go ahead and click on the analytics. And as you can see, I uploaded it August 23rd, 2019, which was exactly 6 months ago, since today's March 23rd. And it has accumulated 46,487 views, which isn't bad. You can see this. This is the view chart. It had a spike right there on November 12th, and then it's just gradually, slowly going up and up and up, okay? It has gotten me 455 subscribers and has made me $328 over a span of 6 months, guys. Not too shabby. The total is about $55 a month, okay, on average. Now, after the taxes, 15% tax I have to pay on that, I only get about $47. That's per month, guys. This is from one video, okay? And the views continue to grow, as well as the earnings, okay? The earnings are going up, up, up. They're kind of plateauing right now, the earnings, but it's what it does. You can see there's a spike, and then it plateaus, another spike. A huge spike right there. I think that was in December. Yeah. Around the holidays, people wanted to know how to submit their cards. And then it just slowly going up, up, up. Now this is per day. And I'm going to show you the last 7 days how much it's been earning. So $1.59, $2, $2.35, $2 a day on average around. Okay. Now this is a bad week because of everything that's been going on. PSA has been shut down. But before, it was about $5 a day on average. On a good day, it was about $6. So $3 to $5 a day. Not too bad per day, guys, okay? So that's my oldest video. And now let's check out my most viewed video with 80,000 views, which is the most valuable junk wax baseball cards, okay? Now, as you can see, uploaded November 13th, 2019. So roughly 4 months ago, all right? Now look at this, guys. It had a very slow start from the get-go. Well, not very slow, actually. Not too bad. So on the first day, it had 1,700 views. Within the first week, it had 5,700. And then it just kind of plateaued and slowly, gradually went up, up, up. And then right around February of this year, or January of February this year, it had a huge spike and got 80,000 views so far in 4 months, which is great. It's accumulated $738, which is about $184 a month. After tax is around $156 per month from one video, guys. Just one video. So from those two videos, guys, I'm pulling in $203 on average per month, okay? 2 videos. You guys can see how many videos I have, and you can do the math on how much I'm earning, all right? Not all my videos are successful. Not all of them are bangers. A lot of them are duds, and that's just part of the process, guys. You're gonna have a lot of duds, and eventually, every once in a while, you'll have one take off. And when a video takes off, you'll get subscribers, you'll get revenue, and you'll get more growth, okay? All right, real quick, let's check out another video. This Chipper Jones video I did, it took off, had a huge start, and then it just tanked. Look at this, audience retention, horrible. It was a 38-minute video. You don't want to make long videos, guys. If they don't have to be, don't make them long because YouTube will not recommend them. It has made me only $28 over a span of probably around 5 months, okay? So keep that in mind. Not every video is going to be a banger. I actually deleted a lot of my old videos that I had up before because they were duds. And actually, I shouldn't have deleted them. I should have just made them private because I don't know, they were awful. Bad lighting, very low energy. I was speaking monotone, and those are the things you don't want to do. Those are the things that successful channels don't have. You don't want to be monotone. You don't want to be boring. You want to be exciting and passionate, enthusiastic, okay? Like I said, guys, I'm not doing this to boast or brag. I'm doing this to inspire you guys to get started and start practicing and making YouTube videos, okay? So if you're playing video games or watching Netflix all day or going out to the bars drinking with your buddies and watching whatever, y'all need to stop doing that and you need to start building and creating stuff, okay? I'm telling you, it's gonna pay off in the end. You have to start today. So stay posted for the videos I have on how to grow your YouTube channel and be successful. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button. I'm going to try to do at least one a week on how to improve your channel, the equipment to use, the techniques to use, everything you need to know, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the video. I'll see you on the next one, all right?